and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord, and shun evil. The fool says in his heart, there is no God. They are corrupt, their deeds are vile. There is no one who does good. Do not be deceived. God cannot be mocked. A man reaps what he sows. Whoever sows to please their flesh, from the flesh will reap destruction. Whoever sows to please the Spirit, from the Spirit will reap eternal life. But the Lord is faithful, and he will strengthen you and protect you from the evil one. Submit yourself then to God. Resist the devil, and he will flee from you. Come near to God, and he will come near to you.